white peacocks. Very similar to standard peacocks, with the exception that nearly all the feathers are snow white. They can be found where most peacocks live, but are extremely rare. Luzon bleeding heart. The small dove seems to have been shot in the chest with its blood red spot on the white front body. Conveniently named, that's just the string coloring of the birds, and it's only located on Luzon in the Philippines. Long-wattled umbrella bird. Plenty of birds seems to have some unique puffy neck traits, but nothing's beat the umbrella birds that has a long tube that looks like a tripod. They can be found in Western Colombia and Ecuador.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder when.
Roseate spoonbill. It looks like a short flamingo with a beak that could be used in a bowl of cherries. You will be able to spot it in South America.
The breeze from the heat wave stole my emotions. I left my doubts when I was swept by the ocean, and every pulse from the tide was a finish line. A wave race we were made to ride. You and I were first in line, and we took them by surprise. I was with you all the time. You may not realize.
Sri Lanka frogmouth. This nocturnal bird is probably one awake at night for a reason. It is a real crossover between a bird and a frog with a puffy neck. During the day, it can still hide with its camouflage. Dodo. It may be extinct, but it still belongs on the list. This pudgy bird comes with an oversized beak, and its facial expression always seems to look scared. Resplendent quetzal. The Guatemalan birds look like it's wearing a red and white dress with an afro. Andean cook of the rock. These orange-headed birds with a black body and tail have one even more distinct trait to them. It must be hard to see with a huge ball on top of their head. Most of them can be found in the Andes in South America. Shoebill. The stork is probably the most famous bird on the list. Its giant beak resembles the front of a pair of heels. They can commonly be found throughout Congo, Rwanda, Uganda, and various other swamps in Central Africa.
I've never felt this way before. It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us more. It's these bright lights that put me.
Standard wing nightjar. Don't let the name fool you. There is nothing standard about the large black wings that hang to the side of the nightjar. It can be spotted from Senegal to Ethiopia in Africa.
In my soul, this is real. These nights are getting shorter. In my soul, this is real.